Now we are going to see the conversion of flip-flop. The part 3 of the flip-flop is the conversion, how to convert one flip-flop to another flip-flop. For example, if you want to convert an SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop, you have to first consider that SR is from which to which. So this is the source and this is the destination part. Okay, so if you want to reach this destination, you have to find the destination with the help of this external input. This is the external device, external destination part. So with the help of this, you have to, and the help of the present state and next state and the excitation table of the source flip-flop, you can find you can convert an SR to JK flip-flop. Okay, present input, we know different conditions. 0, 0 statement is there. Your statement can vary from 0 to 1. Previous, what we have studied till now, that same thing we are using, only they were changing the inputs and outputs. So 0, 0 statement, whatever is the present state, your next state will be as such. We have seen 0, 1 statement, if your input varies from present state varies from 0 to 1, your next state will always be 0. 1, 0 statement, if your input varies from, your present state varies from 0 to 1, always your next state will be in 1, 1 statement. 1, 1 condition, the statement varies from 0 to 1, your output will be the opposite condition of the initial state, that will be on 0. Okay. Now, using the excitation table of SR flip-flop, we have seen in the previous class how to find the excitation table. I told you Qn plus 1 SR 0, 0 statement will give us 0x, 1, 1 condition x0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. We have studied this in the previous section itself. Okay, this is the true excitation table of an SR flip-flop. So 0, 0 will get us 0x, 1, 1 x0, 0, 0, 0x, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 x0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, you have to by heart the excitation table, then only you will be able to do this. Okay, now you have to find the truth table for S and R. K-map for S and R. Your input will be these three: J, K, Q, N. You're finding S is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. So you're only checking about the S statement, going only for the X statement. S 0, X, 0, 0, 1, X, 1, 0. Okay. Now you can group these two and you will get Qn bar. Sorry, JQn bar. JQn bar, and you're going for the R statement to find the K-map for R. Okay. You will get X0, X1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So you are getting only these two. Therefore, R is equal to KQN. Okay. Now you can write it as, you found as S and R, you found S and R. So you have a clock over here. Always remember, don't forget to draw a clock in a flip-flop. Okay. You have two outputs, Q and Qn bar, and your input S depends upon J Qn bar, J into Qn bar. So either you can take a connection from here and J, you will get S, and KQn. So K on NAND gate or AND gate ആണ് K Q N. You got R. Okay, this is how you are converting SR to JK flip-flop. So with the help of the JK flip-flop, you have to find the excitation of SR flip-flop. I will show you one more. SR flip-flop to D flip-flop. So what will be the input condition? So your external device will be D flip-flop and your external will be D flip-flop, and the input will be, excitation will be SR flip-flop. Okay, so D, present state Qn, next state Qn plus 1, you have to write that. Okay, present state, next state, external input, and your flip-flop input or excitation you have to find for excitation input. You are giving SR. So you know the condition. If 0, present state, whatever the condition, 0, 1, your output will be depending upon D itself. In one statement, whatever input you are giving 0 and 1, the output will be always on D. എപ്പോഴും ഓർത്തണം D is equal to Qn plus 1. കൗണ്ടർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഏറ്റവും അത്യാവശ്യമുള്ളൊരു കാര്യമാണ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ് എന്താണോ അത് തന്നെയാണ് ഡി. ഡി എന്താണോ അത് തന്നെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, പ്രസന്റ് സ്റ്റേറ്റിനെ ഒരിക്കലും ഡിപ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. സോ ഹിയർ 0 0 SR, we know the excitation 0x 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 x 0. So you're giving the zero 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 one 1 0 1 1 D Qn. So you're finding S is equal to 0 0 1 x. S is equal to D, and you're finding R. D Qn 0 1 0 1 x 1 0 0. That is R is equal to D bar. Okay, now you can draw it as clock. This is S and R. You got D, noting it to get R. Okay, outputs are Q and Q bar. So S depends on D and R depends on D bar. The same flip-flop diagram you will be getting. Okay, similarly you can find different types of other flip-flops. JK to JK, we have found JK SR flip-flop to JK. So JK flip-flop to SR. Okay, similarly D flip-flop to SR, then JK to T flip-flop, similarly JK to D flip-flop, D to JK, okay. So you can't find D to T and D to T to D. Okay, that's a single input, so you're not finding. I will give the outputs over here so that you can do it by yourself and check it whether you're getting this correct answer. You can go through and you can see whether what you're getting. These are the outputs that you have to get. In JK flip-flop, JK to SR flip-flop, SR will be the destination. That means your external input is SR and the excitation table of JK you have to find. You will get in terms of J, is equal to S and K is equal to R. D flip-flop to SR flip-flop, external input is SR and the flip-flop input is D flip-flop. That is excitation you have to find of a D flip-flop. You will get D is equal, as it's a single input, you will get D is equal to S plus R bar Qn. In JK flip-flop to D flip-flop, you will get J is equal to T and K is equal to T. JK flip-flop to D flip-flop, J is equal to D and K is equal to D bar. D flip-flop to JK flip-flop, you will get D, it's a single input, so D J Qn bar plus K bar Qn. You can just check it out whether you are getting the same answer. You have to first identify the excitation table of each and every flip. You have to by heart that thing, and then only you will be able to do it in a speedy manner. Okay, thank you.